Custom.
Alrighty, good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. It's Sunday, and I wanted to say Happy President's Day. If you're off, good for you. We're working. But we're pulling the crepe myrtles out of the front of the house because they planted them too close to the house. So we're pulling them out. And my steel cable ripped right out of my winch because I pulled it too far out. So I'm going to this synthetic rope. And I'm gonna have to redneck engineer this little dowel, this little keeper, to fit next to the drum. So even on Sundays, we engineering stuff. But on to the video. Happy President's Day. If you're off, good for you. I'm working. Later. There we go. A little angle grinder. Took a little edge off. Now we're in business. Let's give the wife a round of applause. This was her shot here. We got a little bit of the wall and all. But the crepes are gone, baby. It was a crepe murder. Good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. A little chilly today. It was 80 degrees yesterday, and then we got some rain, and now it's 40s. But look what we got. Another Samsung. Sorry if I'm a little nasally this morning. It happens to me every Mardi Gras season. Look at this. Look at that. It's the start. Mardi Gras season around here always gets me clogged up. Pollen. But let's see what this thing does real quick. I already know what it does. Spoiler. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? It's the motor. It's the motor. So what I figured was, since we've been on a Samsung kick and we've been taking two to make one, motor. The one that we took the drum out and put into the black stainless gray one that had a hole in the drum. I think the drum's around here somewhere. But since this thing is already open, let's go ahead and snatch the motor out of this one, put it in that Samsung. So this thing here, even though it had a bad control board and nobody had it, less than 3 years old, coming in handy. Drum to fix one, motor to fix that one. So what do you think? Let's do it. Ugh, look at the yellow. Just disgusting. Okay, so if you've seen some other Samsung videos, you got to get the top up. You could use a flathead, or you could just give it the rip. It's just got two little things holding them there, and they're not very strong. So then we got 1, 2. Oh, that one's gone. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That one's gone. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now the ones in the door, they got the washers on them. Don't know why they're any different. All right, pull it up and over these little tallywhackers. Door switch, unplug, lift it off of those tallywhackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the moisture sensor. This one isn't even that dirty. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, 5. kind of been on a Samsung kick, but really, I just want to get those parts out of that part machine out there before they get ruined. Yep. The last one, remember, the screws were loose. I actually went to fix it and I broke it. Whoopsie. So we'll take this motor out and get the motor out of the other one and swap it over. Just a couple of Phillips there. I think there's some on that side. Yep. And that's pretty much it. Thermistor, thermal fuse, high limit fuse, thermostat, element. Bam, bam. All right, I got the longer zipper. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's see if I can unhook this plug back here for the switch without breaking it. And I don't think so. Pain in the butt these plugs are. Ugh. I might just remove it. Yeah, this is the belt switch. There we go. Wow. I'd rather not break it. All right, that should be it. Yeah, I think they slide. Yeah. There we go. Oakley dokley. Repeat steps 1 through 3. Custom. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh. 2. 3. And the last one. 4. Like I said, sorry, I'm all nasally and mouth breathing. Freaking pollen kills me. Alrighty, getting our switch back set up. Plug motor, plug thermistor, plug thermal fuse. Make sure our doohickeys doohicking. Treasure. It's always times at Samsung's. And if you made it this far in the video, thank y'all for watching. This one really wasn't that dirty, but I just wanted to be extra thorough for you guys to make sure it was spotless. But thanks again. That one wasn't even that bad, but that was just for you. All right. Give it a turn. Yeah, I know we've been on a Samsung dryer kick lately, but I'm really, like I said earlier, just trying to make sure to use all these good parts off of that parts unit before they get destroyed or rained on. Get your bottom tallywhackers. Plug in your door switch. Give it a pop. Pop. There we go. 1, 2, and then the last 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see what she does. Meow. Oh man, I need some Claritin D or some kind of decongestant. Whew. Sorry, y'all. Nice. You know what I didn't do was check the heating element and all that. Not very smart. But she's heating, so I got lucky on that one. But if you wanted to test the element and all your crap over there, you just test it for continuity. All 3 components on the right hand side need to have continuity. We are good. So that's how you make another good Samsung dryer out of an old junk one that had a bad board that nobody had. Drum on the first one, motor on this one, and I will save the element and use it in another one. But you gotta watch out, like we were talking about, Samsung sometimes only wants to put a part number on the whole assembly. But that part number is a DC31-00055G. And sometimes it turns to an H. And you can change just the motor by taking those straps off and the 9/16 nut on the front. Remember, it's reverse threaded. And you can change just the motor. But that parts unit out there, figured I'd just change the whole booger. That was it. And I promise to get some decongestant. Sorry, I'm so nasally again. And that's the key word today. If you made it all the way through the video and you want to prove it, friggin' itchy eyes, runny nose, pollen. Friggin' pollen. Happens to me every Mardi Gras when it starts to change seasons. Get that pressure. It's good. It's good. And that's the key word. Put it down in the comments to prove you made it to the end. Friggin' pollen. Blech. Thanks for watching, y'all. You could either say friggin' pollen or crepe murder. Y'all have a great day.